go, boy. Oh, it's no Ben, you flunked?
Yeah, what a dumb shit.
Shit! Damn, lady! Ducks on the pond!
How you doing, boys?
Go, man, go!
No! God, come on, hurry up! Oh, man, we're shit! Ben, don't lose those guys! I'm trying, man!
Let's go!
Drive this piece of shit! Shit, man, here they come! Everyone, why don't you shut up? Fucking turn!
I think we really pissed him off, man. Just drop me off at my house. Are you still with me? Yeah, I guess. This is my house.
They're slowing down. You get out of there! You get out! You get out!
Good luck, man. Be there tonight. All right.
All right, I'll catch up with you guys later. Go, go!
All right. Hey, man, you still driving into Houston in the morning to get those Aerosmith tickets?
Oh, you damn right. Evening, ladies.
Oh, nice.
You need me to pick you up a couple?
Yeah, 2.
Cool.
Hey, man, you sure I'm okay in here?
Oh, yeah, man, you'll be okay.
Get out.
Oh, yeah!
I don't want you take my bread. I don't want you make my bed. I don't want your money too. I just want to make love to you.
Let me tell you what Melbourne Toast is packing right here, all right? We've got 411 posi track out back, 750 double pumper, Edelbrock intakes, Ford over 30, 11-to-1 pop-up pistons, turbojet, 390 horsepower. We're talking some fucking muscle.
Hey, man, I know you got this thing out of a comic book. I saw the ad, $2.95. It was right next to the Sea Monkeys, man. You see that over there? That's White Lightning. See the shoes on that thing? You gotta get some tires on this. These are pizza cutters, man.
Oh, okay. Let me out. Hey, Slater, you fucking hippie. Give me drugs, man.
Get some from your mother, man.
Yeah, we just banged your mother.
Okay, fuck you, dickhead.
I've been up, I've been down. Take my words, my around.
Pull over the trash can. Pull over the trash can. Let me.
I've been bad.
Okay, okay.
Sit down. Just go, man. Nice and slow.
Go, go, go!
bastard. Come on.
Oh, man.
Well, Ben, you finally got his paint job.
Hey, what is it from a 20 punch, baby?
Hey, Minnie, you better have your wood screws.
Fuck you!
I'm gonna blow your doors completely off.